Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if your Roomba is not charging, it can be frustrating because the robot becomes completely unusable and won't start cleaning when you need it. You might place it on the charging dock expecting it to power up, but nothing happens or the battery doesn't increase at all. This issue can occur due to dirty charging contacts, improper placement on the dock, power supply problems, or battery-related issues. The tricky part is that everything may look fine on the outside, yet the charging process still doesn't start. The good part is that in most cases, this problem is easy to fix once you check a few important things step by step. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix your Roomba charging issue and get it working again. Try these. Step 1. Ensure the charging dock is plugged into a working power outlet. Step 2. Check that the dock's indicator light is on. Step 3. Clean the charging contacts on both the Roomba and the dock. Step 4. Place the Roomba properly on the dock and align it correctly. Step 5. Leave it on charge for a while without interruption. Step 6. Check if the battery starts charging and the Roomba powers on.